In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable maintenance mode in Hostinger. Whether you're looking to make updates to your site or simply need a bit of behind the scenes work time, understanding how to enable maintenance mode is a vital skill for any webmaster. Let's dive right into the process. To get started, make your way to the Hostinger website. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're there, the next step is to log in, so go ahead and click on the login button. Enter your credentials to access your account. If you haven't logged in recently, now's a good time to ensure your details are up to date and secure for easy access in the future. After logging in, navigate to the home section of Hostinger's platform. This is typically the next step, as it provides a central hub for all your website management needs. Once you're on the home page, spot the hosting tab. Clicking on this tab will bring you to a space where you can manage all aspects related to hosting your site. It's quite straightforward. Hostinger's layout makes it easy to navigate through various features. Following that, you'll need to locate the manage button next to the website you wish to put into maintenance mode. Clicking on manage takes you one step closer to accessing the specific controls for your website. This area is essentially your control center for the website, from where you can handle everything from performance adjustments to content updates. Once you are in the management section, direct your attention towards the WordPress website option. WordPress is a popular choice for many website owners due to its user friendliness and flexibility. Clicking on WordPress website will give you access to all the features and settings tied to the WordPress CMS. As you progress further, find your way to the WordPress tab. This will direct you toward more detailed settings specifically related to your WordPress site. After clicking here, navigate over to the overview section. This area provides a summary of key statistics and options for your WordPress site. The final step involves clicking on the maintenance mode option. This feature is specifically designed to temporarily make your website inaccessible to visitors, allowing you to perform necessary tweaks without interruptions. Once you've enabled maintenance mode, you can rest easy knowing that your site will communicate to visitors that it's undergoing maintenance, preserving your professional image even during downtime, and there you have it. With these simple steps, you can seamlessly enable maintenance mode on Hostinger. This not only helps in effectively communicating temporary unavailability, but also gives you peace of mind when making important changes or updates. Thank you for watching, and feel free to dive into the comments section if you have any questions or need further assistance.